Hello everyone. How are you doing on your Scrappy pouch challenge? Have you pulled out some of those scraps and are you making something beautiful? In my first video, showed you what I was going to be working on next, and it was this blue fabric. And I did use the darker blue on the front and left this pretty white flower here to show on its own. I did use the striped fabric across the top, and I thought that just set a little different style there. And I have this pouch already made, and it's so cute, and it's just perfect size for this. Isn't that a nice little utility pouch there on the front? Then I just found a little lace and some little doodads. Let me pull that up for you. And I just sewed those on like a little cluster. Isn't that cute? I sewed the pouch and all this onto the fabric before I attached it to the burlap bag. Now, if you watched the first video, you know I told you I had several of these burlap bags. And I cut the bottom off because they're bigger than I wanted my pouches to be. I may make some full size, but right now I want to kind of stay in this size. This sits around easy. It's plenty of room inside here. The drawstring strings that are attached already will draw this up if I wanted to do that. This, it's all hand sewn, and it's just using scraps. And as you can see, I've left the sides raw edged on the sides here. The sides of the burlap bag, of course, are sewn already. I just put 2 rows on this one of stitching down on that. Just very, very simple. I hand sewed this pouch to this fabric. Also this strip here. This is done the same way. It's sewn to the one side of the burlap bag here. All right. And then when I came up, this stitching here is finishing off the edges up there. Okay. Isn't that pretty? I just love it. Very nice. Now I have 2 bags. Let's see. Here's my first one. And as you can see, I left my first one a little taller. But here's my first one. You know, this is called Slapdash. I don't have a name for this one yet. Let me see what I can come up with here. I had written some names down that I might could use. Let's see. What could I use here? I don't know. It's just so pretty. I'll think of something. But I also need to see what my, let me pull out my challenge paper here, and we can determine what I've got on this one. Why don't I name it Blue Bonnie? Or Blue Bonnet. Blue Bonnet sounds good. I'm in Texas. We'll call it Blue Bonnet. Okay. This is tattered. I didn't really have anything that was tattered, except this lace was tattered when I pull it out. I'm going to say tattered because between the lace and these pieces here, and then I used tattered pieces to create this little medallion. So yeah, I'm going to say tattered. That's one. Thrifted, nothing in there thrifted. Glitz and bling. I have a little, glitz and bling. no fringe. So I've got, let's see, I've got tattered, glitz and bling, no fringe. I'm going to say my little pouch is a treasure. Nothing nostalgic, vintage. I'm not sure if anything is vintage, so I won't count that. Gifted. This upholstery fabric was gifted to me. I do have trim on there, and it is named. So this one is Blue Bonnet. And it's 6 points. And I created in January. And it's number 2 for the year. Okay. I'm trucking on. I'm just so proud of these already. They're so different. And they're just beautiful. Aren't they gorgeous? These would make great gifts. And if you have anything like this, it could be canvas totes that maybe you have, or fabric totes that you have that you were going to do something with, and you didn't, they're laying around, that have the handles on them and stuff. Any fabric gift bags that you already had made. I can't think of anything else that might, but if you have anything, that takes a lot of the work out of it to finish it off, I'll tell you that. They go pretty fast. And it's just collaging or doing whatever you're going to do on your front part here. Okay, now, would you like to see what I've pulled out to work on next? All right, let's put these away. And another piece of upholstery fabric. Isn't that beautiful? It's just so pretty. And I'm thinking I want to use that. And I found these 2 remnants that were cut that matched it well. And I thought I can do something with that. So that's what I'm going to be working on for Scrappy pouch number 3 for the challenge for 2025. Okay, so, and I'll probably use another one of my burlap bags. As long as I have them, I think I'm going to use them. They just work perfect. And I think I have a couple of cotton or canvas tote bags that I think I could do something with too, that I don't do nothing else with. Anyway, I'm thinking that would work for a great top too. But anyway, this is my next bit. Don't have a clue yet what I'm going to do with this. It's so pretty, I don't want to cover it up. I may use some yarn and trim and just embellish what's here. That's an idea. But anyway, we'll see what I come up with for our next sample pouch here. This is going to be a year. I create a bunch of pouches, I can tell you that. This is fun already. All right, so far for the year, I have 13 points. 2 done and 13 points. I have Slapdash and Blue Bonnet with me here. All right, let's put that back in here so I keep it together and hopefully don't lose them. Okay. All right, let's see what's else on the agenda. How's your quilts coming? Anybody doing the quilts out there, as well as the pouch challenge? Mine are coming really good. You're getting the videos as fast as I can create them. I can create videos faster than I can create quilts though, so you have to wait on me a little bit. All right, we'll just hold it there for this, and till next time, we're all going to stay very scrap happy.